If you want to know how to enable global search in Telegram, the good news is that you usually do not need to enable anything at all. In the official Telegram desktop app, global search is already turned on by default. So instead of digging through settings, you can go straight to the search bar and start using it right away. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it, how it works, and how to use it to discover public channels, groups, and bots faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the official Telegram desktop app on your computer. This is important because the global search feature is built into the desktop version and works a little differently from just searching inside your local chats. Once Telegram opens, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the search bar there. This is the main place you need to use. Now click inside that search bar and type the keyword, topic, or name you want to find. For example, you might search for crypto, design, AI tools, study groups, or a bot name. As soon as you type, Telegram will start showing results below. At first, you may see your local chats, contacts, or recent conversations. That is normal, but keep looking just below that section because this is where the global search results appear. The global search section is what you're really looking for. This section shows public results from across Telegram, not just the chats already in your account. That means you can find public channels, public groups, and bots that match your search term. This is extremely useful if you are trying to discover new communities, join niche groups, or find a bot without having the exact username. If you do not immediately see the results you want, try making your keyword more specific. For example, instead of just typing music, you could try lo-fi music, music promotion, or music bot. The more precise your search term is, the better the global results tend to be. You can also scroll through the suggestions and click on any result to open it and see whether it matches what you need. One important thing to remember is that global search is for public content. So if a channel, group, or bot is private, it will not appear there. Also, if you are not seeing the global section clearly, make sure you are using the official Telegram desktop app and that your app is updated to the latest version. In most cases though, there is nothing to turn on manually because Telegram already enables this feature by default. So, to recap, there is no separate setting you need to activate for global search in Telegram desktop. Just open the app, click the search bar at the top left, type your keyword, and then check the global search section below your local chats. That is where you'll find public channels, groups, and bots quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Telegram tutorials and app tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.